Hey, welcome to this video. Dora here, and in this one I want to show you how you can get paid from multiple directions. So I want to show you how you can structure your business in a way where you can get paid from multiple directions, right? You can have multiple sources of income. Now it's very cool, like you can put in the same amount of work, same amount of resources, same amount of energy, same amount of effort, same amount of marketing dollars, and you can multiply your income by having multiple streams of income in your business. So this is something that I want to show you how to do in this video. And by the way, before we start, if this is your first time here on this channel, welcome. My name is Dora, and here you can find a lot of different videos that will help you build solid and shakeable affiliate marketing business, and that will help you sell Clickbank stuff. So consider subscribing for more information, more videos that will help you take your business to the next level. So let's talk about how to structure multiple streams of income in your business. And basically a lot of people have just one income source, so money coming in from just one direction, right? So basically here is how most people have their business structured. So let's just say this is you or this is me, or anyone who owns an online business, right? So like it doesn't matter if you're selling your own stuff or maybe you're selling someone else's products, right? So you are doing affiliate marketing, but basically you are a business owner, okay? Now what a lot of people have is people have just one income source. So again, like money coming in from just one direction. But if you think about it, this is really not very smart idea, because especially if you're doing affiliate marketing, right? Because as affiliates, we don't own stuff that we are selling, we don't own pros that we are promoting, and basically you don't know what can happen to the product. Like product can be really here today and gone tomorrow. Vendors can say, okay, we don't want to sell this product anymore, like we don't want to have affiliates anymore, right? So basically the product really can be here today and gone tomorrow. So if all your income is depending on just that one income source, like if something happens to that one income source, you can lose everything, right? Just like that overnight. So really, like if this one source goes away, basically you can lose your entire income. So this is why it's not a good idea to depend on just one income source, to basically have money coming in from just one direction. But imagine if you can have this structure going on in your business. So imagine if you can get paid from multiple directions, you can basically have multiple companies paying you money, right? You can get paid from 5 different directions, 10 different directions, even 15 different directions. Now, and basically that way, even if something happens to one income source, like you don't lose your entire income, right? Basically because you have money coming in from multiple directions. So basically you will still have money coming in. Now, a lot of people think, okay, if I want to have multiple streams of income in my business, I'll have to operate in different niches, right? So maybe I'm here, I don't know, selling stuff in weight loss niche. So I'll have to start selling stuff in make money online niche, in cooking niche. So basically I have to, my attention will be all over the place. But this is not what I meant by having multiple streams of income. So basically what I mean is like you want to have money coming in from multiple directions, but like you don't want to diversify your attention, right? So basically you want to focus on one thing, but like you want to put in the same amount of work, same amount of resources, but you want your money to multiply, right? Basically you want to get paid from all of those different directions. And you can do it by having more complementary products, okay? So you can have one main product, one main core product, and basically more complementary products around that one product. So let me actually show you how I'm doing this in my business, because I believe you will understand it better if I actually show you, how I'm doing this, right? If I show an example. So basically what I'm doing in my business is I have this one main product, okay, one core offer, and I'm in online marketing space. So I'm teaching people how to start successful, unshakable online business. So whether that people are selling their own stuff or maybe they're doing affiliate marketing, right? But basically this product shows people how to do it step by step. Now, if you think about it, like it doesn't matter what niche, it doesn't matter what product it is that you're selling, but basically there are different complementary products that you can offer, that you can present to your people, as additional resources, as additional tool, right? That will also help people get closer to the result they want to get to. So for example, what I'm doing, because if you think about it, people who want to build stability in their business, want to build a truly successful online business, like there are some basic tools people need to have, right? So for example, one of those tools is actually a landing page builder, okay, funnel builder. So basically if you're also in online marketing space, this can be one of multiple streams of income for you. Because if you think about it, what's happening here with this structure is you're creating this win-win situation. So it's win for our customers because people are saving their time, their energy, their money. Because people don't have to do a research, right? People don't have to spend their money to test out different funnel builders, different landing page builders. Like they can just listen to our recommendations, right? But also that way, like you are getting paid from multiple directions, right? You have money coming in from multiple directions, so it's win-win situation. Now also the second tool, basic tools people need to have is people need to have another responder. So basically the technology where people are storing contacts and also like where people are setting up their automation, right? So basically creating different email follow-up sequences, sending out different emails and things like that. Now also, we have the third basic tool, which is actually a tracking technology. Because when you're building your business, right, like you want to make sure that you know your numbers. This is actually very, very important. Like you want to know where your traffic is coming from, how many clicks you're getting, how many sales, right, how much money you're making. So basically those are three basic tools when it comes to starting a successful online business. So like those tools are not negotiable, so people just need to have them, right? But basically they can save their time, they can save their money, but just listen to a recommendation. So if people trust, people will be listening to recommendation. But also, for example, if people want to build their own website, people need to have different resources. So for example, people need to have a hosting. So this can also be one of your multiple sources of income, right? Now, what else people might need to have? So for example, people need to have a domain name, right? So like all of those resources, all of those tools can be your multiple sources of income, right? Like you can get paid from multiple directions from multiple companies. Now, a good example also, for example, like let's just I'm selling product in weight loss niche. So I'm selling, maybe for example, let's just I'm selling a workout program, okay, that teaches people how to lose weight. So if this is that result people want, okay, people want to lose weight. Now think about it. So what else those people might need to have that will help them lose weight faster and easier? So for example, maybe I can present a product, a diet plan to those people, right, who want to lose weight. Because if people are working out, people are also consuming right food, it will be easier and faster for them to lose weight. Now also, if people are working out, people need to have different equipment. Okay, so different dumbbells, maybe a mat, and basically like all those equipment can get me paid. Okay, so that way like you can get paid from multiple directions. You can have this structure in your business where you're getting paid from multiple directions, right? So from multiple tools, different resources. And again, like people will be purchasing those resources, those tools, because those tools will help them get closer to that result, right, they want to achieve. So think about what is that result my people want to achieve, and then think about, okay, so what else, what are some complementary products that I can actually present to those people that will help them get closer to that result, right? And that can also get you paid from multiple directions. So this is how you can structure your business in a way where you can get paid from multiple directions, right? So you can have this one main core Clickbank product, and then also like you can have more complementary products. So maybe you can align yourself different companies with different marketplaces, right? Such as Amazon, Share, Sell, JV, Zoo, and basically have more complementary products around this one core main Clickbank product. So I actually first started to implement this strategy in my business around a year ago, when I was first introduced to the power of having multiple streams of income in your business. And I'll actually provide a resource where I learn how to do it step by step below this video. So if you want to, feel free to check it out. But I really hope you find this video valuable. Okay, I really hope this video was helpful and that you will implement some of those ideas, some of those strategies in your business. Because again, like that way you can get paid from multiple directions, right? You can have multiple companies paying you money. And this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm really looking forward to talk to you soon.